So let us see a numerical on image speed. Suppose while sitting in a parked car, you notice a jogger approaching towards you in the side view mirror of radius r is equal to 2 meters. If the jogger is running at a speed of 5 meters per second, how fast the image of the jogger appears to move when the jogger is 39 meters, 29, 19 and 9 meters away from the mirror. Usually in the side view of a car, you use convex mirror. You might have seen this warning that objects may look smaller than what they appear. Because objects at very large distance, they are made to look smaller using a convex mirror. It is only an indicative purpose that something is coming from behind. This we have seen in the previous discussion also. Okay, you get a diminished image in the convex mirror. Now we know the mirror equation 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, so 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So this is U minus F by Fu, or V is equal to Fu by U minus F. So here they have given you the speed of the jogger. Jogger is the object and it is given as 5 meters per second. That means in 1 second the jogger is running at a constant speed of 5 meters. Okay. Now in this equation, this V is the image distance. So in 1 second he is moving 5 meters. Okay. So what will be the situation with the image distance from the mirror? See, the person is sitting, there is a rear view, this person is running like this. Okay. Now this distance has been given as 39 meters in the first question. So after 1 second he will be here, which will be 34 meters, because 5 meters it will reduce. So here U is equal to minus 39 meters. F is equal to R by 2. R is given as 2 meters. So 2 meters by 2, it is 1 meter. So V will be equal to F, which is 1. This is minus 39 divided by minus 39 minus 1. Okay. For the convex mirror, F value will be plus 1. So already minus 1 it will come. So it is minus 39 by minus 40 or 39 by 40. Okay. So after 1 second, this fellow is at 34 meters. So what will be the new image distance? Let us say this is V1, then V2 will be after 1 second. So it will be 1 into minus 34 divided by minus 34 minus 1. It is minus 34 by minus 35, or it is 34 by 35. So this is in meters. So this is the distance. The difference of these two will be the distance traveled by image in 1 second. So what is the distance in 1 second? Image has traveled this much distance. So if you take the LCM of 40 and 35, 5 8s, 5 7s, it is 56 into 5, 30, 280. So it is 280, 47s are 39 into 7, 63, 6, 21 plus 6, 270. 9 7s are 63, 6. So 21 plus 6, 273. It is 273. And this is 35 4s are 140, 8, 34 into 8 it is 32, 3, and this is 24, 272. So this is 272. Okay. It is 1 by 280 meters he has moved in, the image has moved. So what is the image speed? 1 by 280 meters per second. So let us do the next one. So here again from 34 he has further moved. Now it is at 29. So when it is at 29, the image distance will be 1 into minus 29 minus 29 minus 1. So it is 29 by 30. So after 1 second, v2 will be 1 into minus 24 minus 24 minus 1, it will be 24 by 25 meters. So the image speed when it is at 29 meters will be difference of these two. It is 29 by 30 minus 24 by 25. LCM of these two will be you can say, let us take 300 LCM. 30 tens are 10 29, 10 into 29 290 meters, 25 12s, so 24 into 12 48 4 24 28 288. Okay, so it is 2 by 300 or 1 by 150 meters. This is the distance traveled by the image in 1 second, so 1 by 150 meter per second. Now the next one is 19, so we can directly now plug the values. So if it is 19, you will get 1 into minus 19 by 19 minus 1, it is 19 by 20, and the next distance will be 14 by 15. So here the image speed will be 19 by 20 minus 14 by 15. 60 is the LCM. 23s, this is 57. 15 fours, 4 14s, 56. It is 1 by 60 meter per second. And for the fourth one, it will be 9 by 10 minus 4 by 5. Going by the same logic. It will be 10. This will be 9. 5 2s are, 2 4s are 8. It will be 1 by 10 meter per second. So the image now 39, 29, 19, 9. Okay, and image speed, if you talk about, it is like when it is at 39, it is 1 by 280. This is 1 by, how much we got? 1 by 60, 1 by 10. Wait a minute. 1 by 150. This is 1 by 150. This is 1 by 150. This is 1 by 60, and this is 1 by 10. You can see here that this is 1 by 280. This is 1 by 150. So this value is more than this. This value is more than this. This value is more than this. The speed is increasing in this direction. So when the object is moving in this, when the person is moving in this direction, the speed of the image is actually increasing. Okay, thank you.